If you own a car, you need these tools. They're cheap, they're simple, and they'll save you from wasting money at the mechanic. Let's get straight into it. Most people drive with low tire pressure and don't even know it. This little tool costs almost nothing, but it saves fuel, prevents blowouts, and keeps your tires lasting longer. Just press it on your valve stem. Takes 5 seconds. A dead battery will embarrass you. Jumper cables are cheap, and a portable jump starter is even better. One push, your engine comes alive. No need to wait for help. Loose battery terminals, bolts, and clamps are common. A simple socket set fixes 80% of minor issues. You don't need anything fancy, just the basics. Flatheads and Phillips screwdrivers are lifesavers. Perfect for removing battery covers, tightening clamps, fixing loose interior parts, and everything in between. Cheap, durable, and essential. When your check engine light comes on, don't panic, scan it. A budget OBD2 scanner tells you exactly what's wrong. Instead of paying a mechanic just to read the code, you do it yourself. Car problems, choose nighttime. Always. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY car tips.